The all-new Hyundai Xcent Facelift two-part grille is no more and is replaced by a plus-sized hexagonal unit, generously lined with chrome. Petrol variants delivers power from the 1.2-liter, four-cylinder, engine making 82 bhp at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 114 Nm at 4,000 revolutions per minute. Diesel engine, a 1.2-liter, three-cylinder unit produces 74 bhp at 4,000 revolutions per minute and 190 Nm between 1750 to 2,250 revolutions per minute. Both the engines get the conventional 5-speed manual gearbox and the 4-speed automatic transmission is available only on the petrol-powered trims. The engines are frugal and claim to return impressive fuel economy, with the petrol variants delivering 20.14 km per liter and diesel trims running up to 25.4 km per liter in standard conditions. Boot space remains the same at 407 liters and 3 medium-sized bags can fit in with ease. Overall length of the vehicle is 3,995 mm. Overall width is 1,660 mm and overall height is 1,520 mm. Wheelbase is 2,525 mm, ground clearance is 165 mm and curb weight is 1,100 kg. Front suspension is MacPherson Strut and rear is Coupled Torsion Beam Axle. Front brake is disc and rear brake is drum. Alloy wheels are missing in the entry-level variants. Instead they feature 165/65R14 full wheel covers. Key styling elements like chrome radiator grille, swept-back headlamps, wrap-around tail lamps, chrome outside door handles, turn indicators on ORVMs enhance the exterior styling. As you step inside, you are greeted by the dual-tone color theme. The base trim comes bereft of an audio system. Rest of the lineup gets a 2-DIN integrated radio with MP3 player, 2 speakers each in front and rear, auxiliary port, USB ports, Bluetooth connectivity, steering-mounted controls for audio and Bluetooth and 1 GB internal memory. Xcent has got new wider set of lights that occupy more real estate at the rear. The lights even get some internal detailing to make them look more distinctive. The boot lid itself has been redesigned and sports a chunky chrome bar that connects the rear lamps. All 4 doors get adequate space for 1-liter bottles.